لأجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم، فبدوت شخصا آخر كي أتفاخر، وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى، فوجدت أني خاسر، فتلك مظاهر. لا 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 نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا، في القلب تلالا. لا لا نرضي الناس بما لا نرضاه لنا حالا، ذاك جمالنا يسمو يتعالى. أوه 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 أوه، كن أنت تزداد جمالا. كن أنت تزداد جمالا.
So what do you think of the Wing Cup? It was fun. I think there's almost everyone exciting.
Wing Cup is a good game for us to strengthen our bond between students in Sheffield.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. هو الذي أخرج الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب من ديارهم لأول الحشر، ما ظننتم أن يخرجوا وظنوا أنهم مانعتهم حصونهم من الله.
Moses took the stick and he hit the sea, and the sea opened. This is miracle, this is mu'jiza. فَأْتُوا بِعَشْرِ سُوَرٍ مِثْلِهِ. If you can't bring this whole Quran, then just bring 10 surah. Then the third challenge was وَإِن كُنْتُمْ فِي رَيْبٍ مِّمَّا نَزَّلْنَا عَلَىٰ عَبْدِنَا فَأْتُوا بِسُورَةٍ مِّن مِّثْلِهِ. If you think that this Quran is not from Allah, you are not able to bring the entire Quran. Now you fail in the entire Quran challenge. You fail in the 10 surahs challenge. Now you only bring one surah. So they're not able to bring this. Not one surah. No one can bring a surah like this. This Quran is miraculous from a number of angles. This lugha, the language, the morphology, the syntax, the nahu, the balagha, the sarf. But you find dozens and thousands and millions of people are memorizing this book. That's because this is a mu'jiza.
The Quran was revealed to be a shifa, a cure for all our illnesses. But my brothers and sisters are those who will come after me and they will believe. They are the ones who are my true brothers. And guess what the Prophet ﷺ said? The ajr of one of them will be equivalent to the ajr of 50 of you. The 50. And then the companions, they said 50 of them, and the Prophet ﷺ said no, 50 of you. What is it? The Quran. Sisters and brothers, this is something that you have to put in your heart, in your head, and say, the light of my heart is the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. These two things. The Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Anyone who recited the Quran, because the Prophet ﷺ told us when you recite one letter of the Quran, and the Prophet said, I do not mean alif, lam, mim. He said, alif is a letter, lam is a letter, mim is a letter. Every letter that you recite is 10 hasana. Imagine 10 hasana. By reciting the whole Quran once, it will give you 3.3 million ajr.
How did you find Quran Week?
Quran Week was very touching. It was good to reconnect with a book that we read often but not always understand what we read. And the best part I liked of today's talk was how Umar ibn al-Khattab embraced Islam, that he was planning to go and behead the Prophet, but then he read verses from the Quran and he just embraced Islam. So that was very touching.
Thank you. You attended our talk yesterday by Sheikh Imran North. How did you find the talk?
I really enjoyed the talk and it was very beneficial.
Alice, I'm glad to hear that. Was there anything that the Sheikh said that really stuck with you? Something that you'd like to repeat and kind of like spread and remind us of?
So what touched me the most is when he said that in Jannah we will all reunite at the age of 33.
So, Alhamdulillah, have you found this past week, Quran Week?
I thought it was really good. I thought the lectures that we had were really informative, and these speakers that came, they really connected with us, really enjoyable.
What did you enjoy most about the talks we've had?
Probably the advice that both the sheikhs gave. I mean, I came away learning a lot about the miracles of the Quran, and also just got a few tips about how to reconnect with the Quran on a personal level.
Alhamdulillah, the week was very informative. There's a lot of events going on. Seen a lot of brothers I've not seen in a while either as well. Been working hard. So it's a good break to come to Quran.
Quran Week is important not only to me but to all of our members, as the Quran is such a big part of our life. As students, we often forget, we're always studying, catching up with the assignments, notes, lectures, exams, that we often forget or put learning to the Quran on the side, but it's such a big part of our life in this journey, in the dunya, towards our akhirah. So it's very important to reconnect to the Quran, and Quran Week is one way to give ourselves a reminder, motivation to, attain that relationship with the Quran.
والله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون والله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم.